Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Kubernetes for Developers, written by William Dennis.
Kubernetes is a powerful platform for deploying containerized applications, offering a solution to the challenges of scaling and managing complex workloads. It's an open-source system that has been widely adopted for its robustness and flexibility, often compared to the Linux of cloud deployments. Despite its steep learning curve, Kubernetes is manageable and allows for gradual learning, starting with simple deployments and advancing to more complex features. Containers have revolutionized the way applications are packaged and deployed, providing an efficient alternative to traditional methods and virtual machines, VMs. They encapsulate an application and its dependencies in an isolated environment, offering the benefits of VMs without the overhead of a full operating system. Containers support language flexibility, lightweight isolation, developer efficiency, and reproducibility. They enable microservices architecture and reduce infrastructure costs by allowing more applications to run on a single machine. Containers streamline the development process by isolating dependencies and enabling cross-platform development. Tools like Docker facilitate the creation of containers, making development environments more consistent with production. Reproducibility is enhanced, as container build files document the steps to create an environment. Kubernetes addresses the challenges of managing containers at scale, providing a platform for orchestrating containers across a shared pool of machines. It democratizes container orchestration, making it suitable for applications of any size and simplifying high availability, updates, and platform maintenance. Kubernetes structures containers into pods, which are the basic scheduling units, and provides services for connectivity. It offers constructs like deployments for managing stateless applications, automating the placement and scaling of pods. Kubernetes automates operations, scales efficiently, and provides a balanced level of workload abstraction. It uses declarative configuration, allowing users to define their desired state and letting Kubernetes realize it. The platform is cost-efficient, extensible, and supported by a vibrant community. While PaaS is convenient for certain applications, it can be restrictive. Kubernetes offers more flexibility without the constraints of PaaS, supporting a wide range of workloads and enabling growth. Kubernetes is ideal for diverse workloads and complex service management, but may introduce overhead. It's important to evaluate if Kubernetes aligns with your needs, considering managed services or specialized platforms as alternatives. Migration to Kubernetes can be gradual, starting with the most suitable workloads.
Get this book at manning.com